Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Zelle with IBC Bank. If you have an IBC Bank account and want to send money through Zelle, there is something important to know. IBC Bank does not currently support Zelle directly within its online banking platform or mobile app. Because of this, you cannot link your IBC Bank account to Zelle and send payments directly from it. There is, however, a simple workaround. Start by opening the IBC Bank mobile app and signing into your account. You will need a second checking or savings account at a bank that officially supports Zelle. Transfer the funds you want to send from your IBC Bank account to that secondary account. Wait until the transfer is completed and the money becomes available. Next, download the Zelle app from the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or from Google Play if you are using an Android device. Once the app is installed, open it and begin the registration process. During setup, enter the required information and link the debit card issued by your Zelle-supported bank. Make sure this is the same account that received the funds from your IBC Bank account. After your account is verified, you can start using Zelle. To send money, enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, choose the amount you want to send, review the details, and confirm the payment. You can also receive money through the same linked account. Thanks for watching.